Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the basics. Your AirPods Pro 2 are paired, in your ears, and connected. Once done, open Control Center or Settings to see the device listed. This lets the system accept remote volume inputs. Now, make sure your iPhone's volume isn't locked by Do Not Disturb or a connected accessory. You need this immediate feedback so adjustments register on the AirPods themselves. Then, place the tip of a finger on the stem. You're ready to change volume directly. Now learn the actual adjustments. You can squeeze and drag the stem on an AirPods Pro 2 to slide volume up or down. This tactile control changes output immediately, so listen for feedback. Alternatively, invoke Siri for hands-free accuracy by saying %, which is faster when your hands are full. If you want precise decimals, open Control Center and move the volume slider. This syncs volume between device and AirPods. Make sure to test with music or a video so you hear the change. To finish, play a track and confirm the sound matches your adjustment. You should see device and AirPods volume move together. If controls don't respond, first toggle Bluetooth and reconnect. If that fails, reset the AirPods Pro 2 by holding the case button and repair. Also, make sure your iOS is up to date, because firmware updates fix control quirks. If you still have trouble, try another app. Sometimes app-specific audio overrides device volume settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.